J Cruz, aka the AUDIOZONE. Let me get some sunlight for y'all. Here with another day, another video, man. As you can see, we're over here at Jack Fab. We got the Destroyer Cat up in the building, having some fun here, about to get him built up. We got mine up in the air right now, getting that drive shaft. So let me explain to you what's going on. In the process of me having the AUDIOZONE and driving the car, I had a couple issues with the cars. Y'all seen the video, failure with the transmissions, failure with the rear ends. I've had a lot of issues with the cars and it's depressing. But long story short, this is the problem, guys. We ended up having the drive shaft. I had a 4-inch drive shaft from DSS done on the car. It started giving me vibrations. From the day I bought it, it had a little bit of vibration, but after I broke the second diff on the car, due to the fact of the dip race, I ended up having to get another drive shaft. My car vibrated really bad after the transmission installs and all that stuff been done. So I brought it and I got a brand new DSS. Jackfab is installing it himself right now, getting my drive shaft installed in the car to get it situated, get it back on the road, because then we have a solid car that's able to hold the power and able to hold it when we get off the digs. Why are digs so important? When you take off, you're either gonna spin or you're gonna hook. And if you hook, anything that's along the way is gonna suffer. So we reinforce pretty much the whole car to get it going. And we just did what we had to do. But I'll stay tuned so I can bring y'all this video. And we got my boy Jackfab right now working. We got the whole list there built out. But I'm gonna show y'all what's going on here, man. I'm gonna give y'all an update very shortly. The guests up in the building, we have Mr. King Tony Snow over here at Jackfab with me. Hopefully we get him to come to leave the dark side and come to the light, man. But I don't know, he's loving his guy. He's dealing with another guy out there, Rick Tap. And you know, I'm not gonna knock nobody. I can't tell you because I haven't seen the progress or the job, but I know the car come out, it could be the king of 300s. Come at me, what you saying?
Nah, not like that, but pull up. That's all I'm gonna say. Come at me, it don't sound right.
Well, get at me, dog. Let's go. Yeah, but anyway, y'all, we're gonna be definitely be playing around with these cars when they come out, man. Stay tuned. He's already got my exhaust pulled out the car. And this is what everybody wanna ask me. Yes, my exhaust is stock. Look at my exhaust, stock exhaust. I got a mid-pipe delete. And that's my exhaust system for my car. Completely stock. For everybody who always say, what kind of exhaust you got? Nothing. I got a stock exhaust system on my AUDIOZONE, man. She ain't got nothing on no exhaust whatsoever. Mid-pipe delete, everybody does that. But the difference is that she's a special breed, man. She's an AUDIOZONE, she's not a HELLCAT. And she's been fun to me and I've enjoyed the hell out of it. So, long story short, y'all, they're in the process of installing my what you call it, the rear drive shaft. I got the other one at the shop. I'm gonna show you on this video what happened. In fact, I'm gonna grab the new one and show you what's going on. Hold on. Okay. All right. Alright, y'all, so here's the new drive shaft and we're installing on the car. Now with half of my old one, these here became very loose and they started getting a lot of vibration, but this was the problem with my car. You can see that it is a solid piece. This is coming from DSS directly and it's going to be for the AUDIOZONE, but you can see how hard these are compared to the other ones I'm going to show you in this video. So, long story short, with that we should be able to get the car back to having a solid, basically, drive line. So when I take off the line, no matter if I'm on prep or the track, I should be able to hook all the power, move all the weight of the car, which is heavy as hell, and be able to get it off the line without breaking anything else. That's what we're hoping for, because we've already done everything else possible. Differential lockouts, we've done cradle lockouts, we've done the best dip race in the market with the front, back, and sides and the whole nine. We got this in place, so hopefully everything goes good. But this is all we need to be able to get back on the road and start bringing y'all some content of some racing video, which is what y'all want. But stay tuned. If we continue and get the car out and do some test hits, make sure everything's perfect, and see how the car's running. The marks of right here, look. Y'all see these marks coming up here? This is the Destroyer Cat burning out while the guy took off, so you can see why we lost that race. Then we got the second race right here, look. All this mark, all the way down here. All the way down here, Destroyer Cat was burning out. And now you can understand why he lost. And then we have one more coming up on the left-hand lane. Let's see if y'all can see on this camera here. We came back, okay, right here. Look at this mark coming up. This is the third race, y'all see. Look at all this burnout here compared to his little burnout right there. So now y'all understand why it is that the Destroyer Cat lost in those races. But a loss is a loss. We ain't giving no excuses. we lost. But the most important thing was why? We lost because of the fact that if the car doesn't hook, you're not gonna be able to get nothing happening, y'all. So that's pretty much gonna end this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the subscriptions, man. Y'all be good and God bless. I'm about to ask this lady here at the Dairy Queen that they got fried fallopian tube. Let's see the reaction. Hold on. Let's go see what happens here. Hold on. Ma'am,
who took the order? Bring her goofy ass to the window real quick. The whole time.
No, come on. No. Y'all gotta be on this.
Let's see.
We family.
What was so funny? You were laughing the whole time.
My question is, do y'all still have fried fallopian tubes or no?
I wasn't laughing at y'all.
You're laughing at us indirectly. No. My question, do y'all still have the fried fallopian tubes?
No, we don't have those.
Y'all
Why?
stop making them?
You know what they are?
That's weird.
We're just playing around, y'all. All right, cruise crew, because they point time they got the other axle in, but this is a stock axle. Now, this is where the failure comes on these cars. You see the separation right here in the middle? This is the weakest link on them. When you have grips on street tires, you might be okay. But whenever you get a good grip, these pop here in the middle. But they're dampened because they're very smooth. You see how this is only about 2.5, like bigger here than here. Y'all see this? That's the difference. The other one's a 4-inch complete. So this, what you want to say, Isaac? What's the reason they break?
Badass cars.
He's a Mustang guy, y'all know, but this is the stock one that we're gonna take it back. I had to cut the backup piece, but pretty much it's there. And we're gonna see what happens. But we'll be going for a ride now to see how this is rolling and get the bad boy situated, man. Stay tuned. At this point in time, AUDIOZONE is down on the floor. About to go for the first ride with the new drive shaft. We should be pretty much set up, man. Again, like I always tell you guys hear me talk about people. This is Jackfab from Jackfab over here in way the hell North Texas. But I'm gonna tell you guys again, I don't get paid for announcing it, but it's not the way it works. But I refer to you good people. I want you guys to have the same benefits that I've had. I've had to spend money messing with the wrong people. You find the right people, you refer them, just a good referral. He's out here, Jackfab on the internet, Master Seller, guy's technician. They got all kinds of cars here and in the other shop, and we have just dropped off Destroyer Cat. So my brother's car is here now for his build. They asked for the whole setup. It is here, Destroyer Cat, my brother's car. Getting ready to go for a full build here at Jackfab, and let's see what happens. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, they're doing a pretty interesting build. I'm scared. Truthfully, I'm scared. Because I've had years and money in this car, and he might just whoop my ass. That's some scary stuff, but we're gonna see what happens as we continue vlogging here, man. We're gonna always, do what we need to do and just have fun if we do what we have to do, man. But Destroyer Cat, your car been dropped off. I left in the right hand, I referred them to him. They're gonna get all my business, NovaK, everybody. Everything I know is gonna be coming to him, man. I trust Jack a lot. He's a white guy, but he's cool people. He got the white guy glasses, but he's still cool people. And I can guarantee you one thing, so far they've done right by me. To me, it's very important. I get calls back on time. They're always there for me for service, so that's why I refer them to you wholeheartedly. I refer you guys to them, because they've done it. This is my boy Laurel's car. He got the SRT. His car's up in the building getting something we're not gonna disclose in the channel, but he's here. We got my friend Battlecat, we got D Watts, and we got something here we can't even talk about. The reason is, guys, they do good work and they refer the business on, so stay tuned and we see the build of Destroyer Cat coming to the streets. We got the AUDIOZONE back, we're getting the drive shaft installed. Like I said, I had the first DSS installed in the car, and I always had a slight vibration, and they're kind of famous and known for that. Long story short, story that we get to believe is that when we had the problem with the diff brakes, the differentials breaking, they caused a vibration on the DSS. We installed the new rear end, and we believe that kind of what caused the issue of the vibration. That the first initial damage of the first rear end breaking made it basically start shifting on the unbalanced the drivetrain pretty much. So then we put the new rear end, that's where they're saying damage the knuckle also. We got the new one in there. I don't got no vibrations, no noises inside. Everything is silent and perfect. I think we got the problem resolved, y'all. So long story short, the AUDIOZONE's in the building. My son's driving it right now. He's my tester, you know what I'm saying? That's my tester. Got you to become the new pilot of the cruise crew. We got to give shout out where shout outs is due. And Isaac's doing a hell of a job driving, man. He got a great reaction time, and he could drive the car. So you might be seeing him a lot more videos racing our cars, especially mine and his and Mob and Destroyer Cat and everything we have. But we're gonna still be racing, but we're gonna be training him because there's an advantage with him. Look how skinny that boy is. Next to big old pops over here. So long story short, it's proven that if you take off a seat of the front seat, the back seat of a Hellcat, and you go down a track consistently, you could drop maybe 2/10 with just those two things, which is about 70 to 80 pounds of weight. So between me and him, there's 100 and something pounds. So obviously that means he'll be a faster race down the track because he's lighter. And he has a good reaction time. But long story short, the car is doing perfect. We're on our way home right now. Very satisfied with everything from Jackfab. Great service, great people. Very informative. Always do what they need to do. So shout out to Matt and Jack from Jackfab. But this is going to be the end of the video, man. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support, the subscription that y'all giving us. We're on our way to 20K. Don't forget, guys, we have an event on April 10th here at the Texas Motorplex. It's the big call out between Demonology and Donkmaster. It can be the third race. The first race was won by Donkmaster. Second race was won by Demonology in Memphis, as y'all saw my Memphis videos. If not, you can go back and look at my previous videos and you'll see we went all the way to Memphis. And both of them are getting more done to their cars for this next third event. We'll definitely be there with the AUDIOCAT, with the Nova King, with the Audio Fox, Mrs. AUDIOCAT's Car Destroyer Cat, and Pop Z06 in the building. We're also going to have some special guests like Ghost Cat, Battle Cat, Intimidator, and a bunch of other guys that we collab with here locally. REELTOREAL, of course, are going to be there, and most of the other YouTubers you know. From what I know, SRT Breeze coming. I think GQ's coming. There could be a lot of other guys, coming out here, man. So don't forget, that's April 10th. Mark the calendar. We'll be closing the store that day. We'll be there all day, supporting Demonology and being there with them in the Mopar community, but also being there with you guys. So if you want to have a meet and greet and you want to have some time to meet your favorite YouTubers, that's going to be one of the times that we'll all be together. And you could always come and find me, man. I'm always here for you guys. If you need any kind of support, we're definitely going to be there. The whole team from AUDIOZONE is going to be there. We'll be having Josh, and we'll be having Gordo, we'll be having Tony Snow, we'll be having my son. Everybody will be there with us, the whole family, as we go to this Demonology event. So mark the calendar, it's April 10th. And don't forget to always comment below and let me know what you guys think about the videos and what I can do to make them better for you guys. I always want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Y'all be good, stay positive, and God bless.